Excuse me, if you would like to talk with me about the illegal thing that you just did, you can pull over to the side of the road.
I'll pull over. What would you do? Just beat me up or something like that?
No, I wouldn't do anything, because you're the one who's inciting a problem here. Because you pulled into a center lane and just basically stopped. And now you're calling me to antagonize me. So I would advise you to just shut the fuck up.
I'm actually calling you. I beg your pardon? I didn't hear you. I didn't hear you. I'm sorry. What did you say? Hello? Are you there? Hello? Are you still there?
Go ahead, keep antagonizing. Go ahead.
No, I didn't hear you.
What is it you would like to say?
I beg your pardon?
What is it you would like to say?
Well, I wanted to call. I guess you're the owner, manager, the chief bottle washer. I was hoping that there was someone above you so I could register a complaint. Not necessarily about your driving, which I think was bad, or your honking of the horn, which is unnecessary, or you're giving the finger.
You know what?
Also,
you know what?
Kind of a combination of all of the above.
I could turn this video in to the police, and they could come find you for doing.
I want you to do that.
I will. Can you recite to me what you did wrong?
No, I want you to do that, and then I don't know, with the car you drive, I don't think you're probably doing that well, and I don't know if you're on Google, but I'll check. And here's the thing: if you care, which you may not, you would.
What?
Come on, man. E427260. Yeah.
Hiring practices ought to really be about one thing and one thing only: best and the brightest. And I look at Brandon Staley, I see him as one of the best and the brightest. I think the evidence supports it. And I think this is a really good hire by the Los Angeles Chargers. Also, New Orleans Saints tight end coach Dan Campbell, he is set to become the next head coach of the Detroit Lions. This guy's coach, he's played in
Lion has been targeted by members of ISIS and other jihadist groups for years. The suspects behind the latest plot will stand trial in Jordan. A university suspends all 14 fraternities in the wake of a college student's death.